Vision IDZ. We will show you how to make a name badge using the Smart 81 card printer. We will use blank white 2-up name badge cards, available from Vision IDZ. These will produce name badges that are 73mm by 27mm and 1.3mm thick. After loading the cards into the Smart 81 card printer, print the name badges using the card presso application that you receive with every Smart 81 card printer. You will print 2 name badges at once. Once the 2-up name badge card has been printed, snap off the end piece and discard, then snap the 2 name badges apart along the seam. Each name badge can now be finished off by sticking on an adhesive magnetic attachment system or an adhesive safety pin attachment system. The next step is optional. A clear resin dome can be added to the name badge for visual appeal, as well as protection of the printed badge. First, spray some soapy water onto the face of the badge. Then peel a clear resin dome from the sheet and apply it onto the name badge. Take care not to handle the adhesive side of the resin dome. While the badge is still wet, you can move the resin dome on the badge to line it up perfectly. Then squeeze the excess water from between the 2 layers to permanently adhere the resin dome to the badge.